participants, our sponsors, including the previous ABACA officers. Pasalamat tayo, dada nakita-kita text pa ni Kapitana Lumibaw, ni Jackie, and ni Kapitan Robert De Vera. Ganun dapat kita mga previous officers. Salamat, Tuhan mi nga ma-mention tinagan niyo. To our guests, amin kayo, thank you so much, and we would like to reiterate our pasasalamat to the Schools Division Office of Baguio City, under the office of Madam Soraya Paculo, ni Madam Aster Pagyan. Salamat iti pa ng pabulod yun. Kan amin dagit jay na personnel ka, atin molong, nga nakiki-prepare iti venue tayo. Likewise to all the ABACA officers na nagtrabaho at lumaisayang katday ito nga assembly tayo. Please get your certificate of attendance dito. Amo yung kung iti barangay tayo, nagkadado ti pakausaran na ila. Please secure from Secretary John and Mary Jane. Pasalamat kami amin, kada kayo nga timultulong in various forms. Salamat launay sabay ko mata no next assembly tayo at ati maaron tayo nga pang raffle tayo tatmo at adot sigurado at adot tayo inya no adati dagay politicians kakarota dandaniti filing sigurado adati ag donate ti pang raffle prizes tayo ag overflow ti attendance tayo dito PFBR. Again, thank you to Philippine Red Cross Baguio chapter, Ma'am Gwen Sir Eco, and other volunteers, other staff. I cannot mention all your names. Maraming salamat, and expect for a fruitful partnership. Thank you, Manang. Salamat. Nagbabatch tayo nga nagkagawad. Okay, again, thank you, Tatang Edong Carta from PTV Cordillera. Thank you for the live coverage that you have extended to this assembly. Maraming salamat, one and all. God bless. ABACA board, please stay behind. We'll just have 10 minutes meeting. Let us convene for 10 minutes only. May kayo, biit lang.
Meeting. Agbati ti officers.